50 megawatts and 100 megawatts MAN V32/40 HFO diesel power plants for sale. Are you planning to build and operate a reliable and economical HFO diesel power plant? We have the best standard package of MAN V32/40 HFO diesel power plant of 50 megawatts and 100 megawatts that can satisfy you. MAN V32/40 HFO Diesel Generating Set is designed based on reliability and economic operation and easy maintenance, as you know well. We have rich experience and have delivered more than 220 large and small power plants in the past 34 years. Therefore, we are ready to provide immediate service for all processes from design, engineering, purchasing, installation, and commissioning of HFO plants, according to your required options. For more information, please feel free to contact us by www.tradings.com or kts007799@gmail.com.